happiness.
Growth. Safe space.
Self-reflection.
Learning to learn. There's a lot of gap between what is happening in the real world versus what is taught in the classroom. The gap exists because real world skills are not practically is what exactly you're teaching in the classroom, and that's the reason why you find students not connecting most of the times to what you teach in the classroom.
The present kids are very much vulnerable, and what we can do, and providing here the kind of workshops which we did at least today, those were wonderful. Like how to present those things in a positive manner, how to take feedback, how to connect with the kids, how to listen to them that empathetically. So these things are quite amazing.
मेरी क्लास में भी और 3 लेवल के डिफरेंट बच्चे हैं, तो उनको एक साथ में मैनेज करना थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है कि साथ में कैसे मैनेज करें, कैसे साथ में ले जाएं। तो मैं TLP फाउंडेशन में इसलिए आई हूँ, मैं टीचिंग मेथड सीख सकूँ एंड लीडरशिप स्किल सीख सकूँ। अगर खुद में इम्प्रूव करेंगे तो बच्चों को गुड एजुकेशन दे पाएंगे एंड अपनी टीम को भी सपोर्ट कर पाएंगे।
Everything that you do as a facilitator has to come from a lot of empathy, care and love and everything. So day one has set that context really nicely for me. It is a gentle reminder, but a reminder given with a lot of care and right intent.
So here in this whole process, everyone is growing. I am also growing because I am listening, I am reflecting, then I am asking the questions accordingly because it is igniting my curiosity also. And the other person is also learning, reflecting and understanding their own thought process.
Such diversity of people across the country were here. So everybody had different challenges, different views. It was amazing.
So this is the real learning. We are really learning from real people, from their experiences, and which is coming from depth of their heart. So it is, I'm just having goosebumps while I'm telling this. So it is so beautiful.
So one of my learning is this also, that when I go back, I'm in my classroom, let them finish, let kids participate. Let them be their own facilitator because they know their own pace. We can guide them, we can direct them, but we should not control them.
हम उनके लिए डिफरेंटिएटेड स्किल्स वाइज एक्टिविटीज़ प्लान कर सकते हैं एंड उनके लेवल के हिसाब से हम उन्हें वर्कशीट दे सकते हैं, तो जिससे उन्हें काफ़ी ज़्यादा यूज़फुल लगेगा एंड फिर वो कर भी पाएंगे, उन्हें मज़ा भी आएगा।
तो इधर थोड़ा और डीप में सीखा मैंने कि अच्छा और डीप में कैसे दे सकते हैं हम फीडबैक। बस हम ऊपर ऊपर दे देते हैं, लेकिन एक इंसान को अगर हमें सच्ची में बेहतर बनाना है तो उसको हम ढंग से ऑब्जर्व करेंगे और ढंग से फीडबैक देंगे ताकि वो सच्ची में ग्रो करे।
1 year of journey of attending TLP, first TLP session, I have learned to manage all the things properly. I learned that we had to wear the children's shoes and think according to them and try to understand instead of shouting and saying this is wrong, that is wrong. Mostly I had seen the changes in my own classroom. I felt very happy regarding that.
Now it's like more like a bonding between teachers, and retention of teachers has increased now.
Anywhere in the world, there's a teacher silently working, has worked with all their passion and heart. This is a sign where all your fellow educators, teachers come together and they share the same passion. You can be ambitious and aspirational for yourself, but how at the same time you can be supportive for others. We all feel that we are some kind of silent warriors working for a better future together tomorrow.